Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the AutoFinesse detailing bag or carry bag, which I received from patyolatauto.hu. However, it's not a paid advert. You are going to hear and see my honest opinion as usual. The bag is fully loaded with all kinds of things, chemicals, accessories and so on. And there are tons of pockets that are not even filled yet. So there is plenty of space in it. But anyhow, let's just unload the bag just to show you how many products it could hide. Let's roll. All right, well, as you see, it could take up lots of things, chemicals, accessories, and name it. There is some more pocket, which was empty. So obviously it can handle even more items, but that was in this one. I'm going to show you in a minute the inside of it, because it has some adjustable compartments. And in general, it seems like a nice bag. I think it's waterproof. I'm not going to splash it with water, but I can see on the material that it's a waterproof bag.
A couple 100 miles away, denying that something has changed. You're blaming me too complicated, but I will never stay the same. So I will drive and drive and drive and drive, baby, just so I can make it through the night.
All right, boys and girls, that was the AutoFinesse carry bag. All in all, I can hands-on hard recommend. It's a nice looking bag, and as far as I can tell, just having a look at the stitches and the materials, it looks like a durable bag. So it's good to carry around your car detailing products. Anywho, that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.